How to add friends in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add friends. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right, you can see this friends icon. Simply tap on this friends icon. Now here, you'll be able to add your friends. On the top, at the search bar, you can directly search and enter their name and UID. So after you do that, you'll be able to see different friends. Here on the bottom, there are different options like requests and contacts also. So you can directly share your UID with other players and they can even easily add on you. Here on the top, you can even copy the text and copy your UID and share it among your friends in order to add them easily in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.